Maybe you can come back, turn call,
Eh.
wear boxer.
Hi, my name is Wayne. I'm 35 this year and I'm from the renewable energy industry. I am a port agent analyst.
My name is Sheena, I'm 33. I'm an administrator in the maritime industry. This is a 4-room HDB
Modern Colonial style.
at Pinnacle at Duxton. The color palette is black and white with touches of grey and wood grains.
So coming in from the entrance, we will be greeted by the foyer and open concept kitchen on the left and followed by the living room, and thereafter we have our 2 bathroom and 2 bedroom with the masters. Pator that time we stayed 1 night in Raffles and we sort of really loved the vibes in the rooms.
And we wanted something that is evergreen and you won't get tired looking at it like maybe 10 years down the road.
During the planning phase, we wanted the whole house to be unique. Sort of arches around the houses, as well as making sure that we are really working towards that black and white colonial theme. I'm very glad with the layout of the kitchen that we have. You open your fridge and at the back is your island. You just take your stuff up, put on an island, and your stove is just behind you. There's this triangle calculation that we have to work, that you try not to use more than 3 or 4 steps away from doing your stuff.
My favorite spot will be here in the living room where we spend most of our downtime together with Nugget. It's such a nice open living space where we can play fetch and everything, and also I can see him cooking from here. We did have one request though, which is to have shower screen hanging from the ceiling rather than having a track down at the bottom. I don't think this was in the market yet. Natalie did it, and so both our shower screens, they are sturdy and all, and best of all, like cleaning makes easier now. Home is where you just want to stay here and do everything, and of course you can't wait to showcase your home to your friends and family.